channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. First, let me thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support. And if you're new here, well then welcome. And if you've been across my channel but you didn't subscribe, well then join the family and hit that subscriber button along with the notification bell. And that's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. There's been some recent changes going on here on YouTube, and as usual, your support will mean everything to me. So thank you guys so much. So I love pasta. I could probably eat it every day, and with this recipe I probably could with a little healthy kick. You want to see what I mean? Well then keep watching. So I'm going to use some whole wheat pasta and 2 cups of cherry heirloom tomatoes. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm going to chop 3 garlic cloves, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 cup of parmesan cheese. And I'm going to use some olive oil, some sea salt, black pepper, and some fresh parsley. So over medium-high, I'm going to bring to boil a pot full of water, and in the meantime, I'm going to get started on the tomatoes. So on a cookie sheet lined with foil, I'm going to add my heirloom cherry tomatoes. And now I'm going to coat the tomatoes with lots of good olive oil. Taking my clean hands, I'm going to make sure the tomatoes are well coated. Now I'm going to season with some sea salt and some black pepper. Preheat your oven at 400 degrees and bake them off for 15 minutes until your tomatoes burst. In the meantime, now that my water is completely boiled, I want to season it with some sea salt, and I want to put a little bit of olive oil so that my pasta doesn't stick. So now I'm going to add the pasta to the water, and I'm just going to follow the directions on the box. While my pasta is cooking, in another pan over medium heat, I'm going to warm up some more olive oil. I'm going to melt down 2 tablespoons of butter, and I love pepper, so I'm going to add at least 2 tablespoons of pepper. And some red pepper flakes for a little heat. And now I'm just going to grab my spoon and just give everything a quick mix. So now I'm ready to add the chopped garlic, and again I'm going to give everything a big stir just to make sure everything is well combined. To get the consistency that I like, I'm just going to add a little bit of pasta water. Now it's time to add the pasta to the dish, and you want to make sure that you do it while the pasta is really warm so it can soak up all that amazing flavor. Now I'm ready to add my Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to take a pair of tongs and I'm just going to toss it together until it's melted completely into the pasta. Now I'm ready to add my roasted heirloom tomatoes, and I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit more pepper on top, but this is completely optional. And at the end I'm going to add some fresh chopped parsley, and I'm just going to toss it together, and we are done and ready to eat. If you've never tried whole wheat pasta, I would definitely recommend it. It tastes just as good, probably even better as the regular one. And when you bite into the heirloom tomato, it's going to give you that burst of sweetness that makes this dish that much more delicious. And it's best to eat it when it's nice and hot. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. That will help me out a lot, and share it with anybody that you may think will love this recipe. And if you give it a try, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe by clicking my face somewhere over here, or the subscriber button down below, along with the notification bell, just to let you know every time I upload a video. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box over there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.